I was coming from the fair of Balquhidder, when I met the winsome dame. She was fairer than the annan. I asked her where she dwelt as we strolled along together. By the bonny mountainside, she replied, amongst the heather. Will you go, lassie, go to the braes o' Balquhidder, where the wild berries grow mongst the bonny blooming heather, where the deer and the roe lightly bounding together sport the long summer's day mongst the braes o' Balquhidder. I will twine my love a bower near yon clear crystal fountain, and I'll cover it over with the flowers of the mountain. I will range through the wilds and the deep glens so dreary, and return with the spoils to the arms o' my dearie. Now the cold winter's wind sprightly swirls around our dwelling, and the roar of the gale and the night breeze is swelling. Oh, my dear, we will sing as the storm rattles o'er us, with the sheaves of falling rain and the lightning in chorus. Now the summer's in prime, and the flowers sweetly blooming, and the wild mountain thyme o'er the moorlands perfuming. To our dear native scenes let us journey together, where glad innocence reigns mongst the braes o' Balquhidder. Will you go, lassie, go to the braes o' Balquhidder, where the wild berries grow mongst the bonny blooming heather, where the deer and the roe lightly bounding together sport the long summer's day mongst the braes o' Balquhidder.